How to get insurance on Pandabuy. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can get the insurance in Pandabuy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget that you're gonna be able to find Pandabuy website and sign up links in the description of this video. So basically the insurance is if you want to return like a product and to obtain the guarantee of that. So what you must do first is go into pandabuy.com and log in into your account. And now there in the upper part, there's an option that says Help Center. I'm going to click on it. There are going to be several FAQs, but by now I'm going to write here insurance. And this is going to let us see the insurance purchase instruction. It's like an article. So I'm going to click on it. And this is it. So there you are going to find the instructions that you must follow, different like considerations you must know. And I think these three are the most important, by the way. Partial delay insurance. So for some routes, your parcel takes more than 30 to 40 days to be signed for delivery. The customs seizure insurance, so if your parcel is confiscated by customs, they will compensate your parcel according to your parcel situation and Panda insurance compensation standard. And it happens the same with the parcel loss damage insurance. So obviously, you must go into this link because the insurance coverage for details of whether shipping routes support purchasing insurance on your country and the insurance purchase scope of each route. So you must click on it, and there you're gonna find like 4 different aspects. The destination, where do you need to make this process? This is gonna be redirected to this warehouse. There's no option to change this. You must write the weight, the size of your package, and also the item category. Okay, and depending on that, I'm just gonna write the weight by now, because depending on that there's gonna be a shipping fee, and depending on the country, obviously here in the United States you can check that perhaps the cheapest is gonna be this option and this one, but I'm not sure how well it works because probably you used to trust more in some bigger companies like FedEx and so on. But that's how you can do it. Obviously, don't forget that if you bought something in Pandabuy, there is going to be an insurance in that specific article too. So you must read it in order to know all this insurance practice. But basically here in this part, you can check the estimation of the value and complete the procedure. And that's it. That's how you can get insurance on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching.